Hello everyone, this is Yoda. We are the leading display screen manufacturer. Yoda has been in the display screens for over 10 years. We started from a small workshop and have grown into factories with 10,000 square meters full-scale production system. We have a complete assembly workshop and 3 with ISO Class 1000 standard. Currently, we have 16 warehouses and depot to 42 countries, providing solutions to thousands of companies. Today, we will show you our ISO Class 1000 cleanroom. First, we put on pro-diabetes clothing. This is our cleanroom. The workshop has 3 temperature and humidity control. We use high-efficient filters and air curtains to ensure the air is clean and dust-free. The display screen contains precise components, so the anti-static measures are crucial. In addition to regular anti-static wristbands, our fans also keep running. About the production line, you can see electronic screens. That's our SOP screens. They ensure each step of the process meets the requirement standard, guaranteeing product quality and enhancing product efficiency. That's our cleanroom, and we invite you to visit Yoda, the leading manufacturer of display screens.